Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's project, I'll be doing this mixed media art journal page and I'm using two colors of distress oxide. One is peacock feathers and blueprint sketch, and I'm using this number stamp, and I'm going to make sure that is on the right side before I stamp it. So I'm going to have a little bit of peacock feather color and the blueprint sketch color. Then I'm going to stamp on the page. Then I'm going to make sure it is dry. Then I'm using the different stamp for grungy style, and then I'm using this peacock feathers, and I'm going to use that color and stamp in the center. Then I'm using the blueprint sketch also, and I'm going to stamp on the sides and the center a little bit. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm using this creative expression stamp, and I'm using archival ink. Then I'm going to use this check stamp. Then I'm going to use this dotted stamp. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button, turn the notification on. That way you will not miss my videos. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm using this stamp, and I'm going to add that also in this project. Now I'm going to use some of this splatter stamp. Then I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm using this number stamp and I'm going to just put here and there. I'm just adding like few different numbers. Then I'm going to now again dry everything. Now I just stamped this flower and the leaves. So I'm going to do the fussy cut and then color it. I'm using this neocolor crayons and just color it. Now I'm going to add different elements. And I'm using this scrap paper. Then now I'm going to add the focal point. I had to think of a different ways to keep that flower. So, um, and then now I'm going to use this um, acrylic paint and I'm just scribbling it. So I'm using this color pencil and darken some of the areas. So I'm going to add the coat and finish this project. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So this finishes my project and I hope you got inspired and enjoyed watching it. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for taking some time and watching my videos. I will see you again. Thanks. Bye.